Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the Supreme winter tees. It's about to be the end of the season, low-key, so we about to be on to different content. Stick along for the ride because there's gonna be some heat, but leave a like if y'all do end up enjoying this video. Subscribe to the channel because literally there's another giveaway going on. I'm about to send this out ASAP, and I got another giveaway going on for this beanie, 5 box logo stickers, and Supreme mini playing cards. All y'all have to do is subscribe. The link is in the description. Just do it through there. It's way easier. But yeah, and with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. So for this one, we're gonna start all the way from the top of the list and work our way down. All the way at the top, we got the Kubrick, which we did talk about in yesterday or 2 days ago's video, you feel me? This is the 1000%, kind of like this big if I'm not mistaken, and it's $900. So it's steep, but it's fire. Like, this shit is hard. Honestly, if I had the bread, I definitely would get it. 900 for this shit right here is not what we trying to do at this very moment. So we gonna go ahead and slide to the left on that one. I do think it's a cool piece. Honestly, the shit is fire. I love the whole Crow collaboration they had this season. Some of my favorite shit that dropped this season. Honestly, I might do a recap for this season because I felt like this one was actually kind of a banger and I hit on a lot of pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and do that at the end. Yeah, man, I think this one is hard. Then we do got the mini version, which is releasing for like $36, which ain't that bad. That's the one that I'ma try to go for. Add that shit in a little cart with some teas and call it a day, you feel me? I'm not trying to splurge $900 like I said before, you feel me? I'll get a little fraction of it. So we gonna be alright with the little mini version. Hopefully I am able to cook up, and hopefully it's not a US exclusive because I'll be feeling bad for everybody outside. US and Japan mainly be good. EU be getting slapped when it comes to accessories. Shit just be sad, bro. We got the Spend It tee, which is basically the Christmas shirt that Supreme does yearly. This one says don't spend it all under the $10 bill. Not that bad. If I could get this shit in a different colorway, I honestly will. I'm not pressed for it. There's another tee that I think is so hard and it's gonna be my priority before this tee right here. The little Christmas vibe with the dollar bill on the front ain't that bad. I think it's kind of hard. They did release a tee a couple years back at this point now that had a dollar bill on it as well, and that one actually did pretty good resale wise. I don't know how this shit's gonna do. It is a Christmas tee, so you never know, but hey, we gonna get into that a little bit later. We got the corkscrew, which is gonna be releasing at $268 for a corkscrew. This bitch better automatically pull that bitch out. As soon as I touch the fucking cork, it better spin itself in that shit and pull it out. I'm not gonna lie, this is hella expensive for no reason. Like, who is spending $300 on a corkscrew, bro? You're on another level of life if you're doing that. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It's all facts, like dead ass. Think about it. If you're spending $300 on a fucking household utensil, your pockets are deep. Your pockets are deep as fuck. Like, I can't picture myself doing that. Not at this point in life, you feel me? Maybe one day, but at this very moment, that would be some dumb shit. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got the reflective hoodie. This one basically has that Supreme branding going from one of the titty areas to like the side of the arm type shit. It comes in 4 to 5 colorways, and if I were to get this, I like that maroon, the black, and honestly after that I might just take a nap on this shit. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, this one's actually kind of hard. I looked at the pictures in detail and I like the way that it lays on the arm. It's something different. It's something different, you feel me? Something different. They always do the same shit, so I'm glad that it's something different. We got this lady pink tee, which is probably my favorite shit dropping. Like, this shit is hard, bro. I'm a sucker for graffiti. I love when Supreme does the little photo tee with the small Supreme logo on the side. That's probably one of my favorites. And this right here is hard. In this pink color, perfect. I don't even mind any color for this. I'm really excited about this piece. If I could cart this with the small Kubrick, we vibing, bro. Anything else after that is just more success. I feel like this tee is gonna probably have some type of resale, maybe down the line, maybe now. Supreme tees are a great item to buy and store for the future. It's almost like a stock in a way, because once these items drop, they never release again. That's kind of why I buy some of these pieces and I just put them away somewhere to gain value. Like, it's smart, bro. I don't know. That's just my opinion. I'm honestly gonna go for that lady pink tee. Next up, we got the bed tee, and this is basically like the El Cuco. That's what Dominicans call it, like the monster under your bed type shit. I don't know, but a lot of people got night terrors with the monster under your bed. Like, some people are literally traumatized to the point they gotta sleep with their feet in the blanket and they can't sleep without it type shit. I've known people that are like that, so yeah, I don't know, bro. I could sleep with my feet anywhere on the bed, but hey, to each his own, bro. I think it's a cool concept, you feel me? I might pass on this shit. We got this jacquard camp cap, bro. I feel like we see these shits time and time again. This one's a denim version, which is basically like cut up everywhere. Honestly, I'm good on this one. If you still don't have a camp cap and this is something you like, hey, then it's something you like. At the end of the day, I'm honestly gonna skip on that. This spikes tee is actually kind of hard though. I've seen it in a couple colorways at this point and it doesn't look bad. This black one is hard in itself. I like the way the Supreme is at the top. It's almost like in an anime styled font, Transformers, Gundam style type beat, you feel me? But it's hard. It almost looks like an anime character. I peeped that on the lookbook picture, the dude had a different color and the color of the font and all that was different. So I'm excited to see what other combinations there are. That's another piece that I feel like down the line might have some value. It has pretty good branding on it, looks different, might be a vibe in the future. But we do got this Christopher Wool Untitled 1995. I don't know much about this tee, but I'm assuming it's something that Supreme did back in the day, or it's a reference to something that Christopher Wool did back in the day. Those two are the denim jacket that released earlier in the season, if y'all really think about it. I think it's cool. It's almost like abstract art, and these pieces are, once again, to each his own. I feel like I might go for one of them. If I don't end up getting something that I truly want, I'm not really pressed for it, you feel me? This Faux Shearling hooded jacket, this one comes in 3 colors. This is the pimp jacket right here. It's almost like a sweater, but it's not a sweater. I do like the way that the strings hang on the front of the jacket. I always love that shit. You got that black on black, which is honestly my favorite. Like, that shit is a fire ass sweater. That shit is actually hard, I'm not gonna lie. The black on black for this would be an essential piece in my collection if I were to get this, but $228 off the hip right now. I got a lot of shit going on. I might just be good because I could get a bunch of other pieces for that price, so we gonna sleep, but that shit is some heat. That black on black is definitely a solid piece. That diamond tee is kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. I like the fact that it has something on the back, not really calling my name too much. Maybe in this color, if it was like black or some shit. I gotta see the other colors, bro, because this one might not be bad in a different color, but this purple right here is not hitting, at least for me. I know that on the back it says in stores now, which is a little add-on, you feel me? But I might be good on that shit, I'm not gonna lie. We got the Truey 6 panel in this bitch. This one's gonna be coming out in 5 colors, and honestly, bro, $58 for this. You could just go ahead and pick yourself up a shirt or any other hat besides this shit right here. Like, this is dookie, bro. Like, please don't do it. Unless you really into it, then don't do it. I'm good on that shit. To each his own. Again, there's this Experiencia. I don't know how you say it. I think it's French, but it's like this lime-ish, yellow-ish shirt. It's another one of those mediocre pieces. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. This one's kind of ass. It's another one of those ass ones, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It has like this little castle shit on it. Almost looks like a fine china plate. We good. I'm good. I'm good on that shit. We got this rainbow knit wool loose gauge beanie. This one was supposed to release like half a season ago, bro, and it's still surfacing. Like, just drop it, bro. Just and drop the beanie. Like, that's it. It's over. Just drop the beanie. And I'm not copping that shit, but it's okay. We got this Venus tee. I don't know what type of freaky deaky shit they doing on the front of this shirt, but I think I'm gonna skip on this one, bro. I don't know who or what is going on the front of this Venus piece. I'm gonna be good on that one, bro. I'm not wearing that shit on the front of my shit. Maybe that's some in art and I don't know, but school me down below because I'm good on that one. We got the Argyle Cashmere beanie. Are you at this level of fashion, bro? Let me know. This is only cool in that cream and blue. That color is okay. Would I spend my money on that? Honestly, hell no. $48 for that? Negative, bro. It's just not happening. And then we got the Dickies Quilted collab. I thought there was gonna be more shit. Like, when they say Dickies collab, I'm like, I bet they're gonna do a whole collection. Nope, they're doing only the quilted shit. Only the quilty shit that we saw 2 days ago is what's releasing. You could either get quilty in a jacket, you could get quilty in the form of pants, you feel me? These are like unwrappable on the side if that's some shit you're trying to unwrap. And then you got the fucking coveralls, and y'all know why I'm talking about these shits at the end, because they're ass, bro. Like, who is doing this? You gotta be, once again, on another level of fashion. Hey, I feel you. If this is for you, then it's for you. I fuck with Dickies, but only with their workwear, not the fucking quilty shit. Like, it's too thick, pause. So we gonna be alright with that. But that's the whole drop list, bro. Let me know what's your favorite items releasing this week. Honestly, the bearbricks, fire. A couple of the tees are cool too. That Christmas one, clean, and that lady pink tee is hard as well. Honestly, those are my main priorities, the bearbrick and those two tees. I might add the spike tee actually, because that one was fire. After that, it kind of all gets lost in the sauce, bro. I feel like all these tees could have been better, should have been better. They could have done so much. I don't know, it's mediocre to end the season. Realistically, this shit could have been so much more fire. We do have a couple items in there that are clean. Just get whatever you like, just like I'ma do. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. You might as well subscribe anyways, because we got the giveaway going on for the beanie, the cards, and the BOGOs. One winner. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and you get bonus points for following Nori Archives. That's all I need. Go ahead and do that. Best of luck again to y'all. There might be another giveaway after this. Share it, you feel me? Come on, share the love. We trying to get to 20K as fast as possible. So hey, with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.